Hello everyone, this is Thomas from XINNUO roll forming machinery company in China. Today I'd like to introduce our best-selling product, CZ-type Purlin roll forming machine. The computer automatic CZ-type Purlin forming machine is a set of roll can produce a variety of specifications CZ Purlin products of single roll forming unit. It's mainly composed of passive charging rack, leveling device, punching device, forming after cutting device, and hydraulic station. Computer control system. Computer automatic CZ-type Purlin forming machine. Rolling CZ-type steel product. It has good tensile bending performance, flatness. Automatic fixed length cutting, automatic punching, good degree of automation. Installation speed is suitable and convenient. It is a set of roll can produce a variety of specifications of CZ-type Purlin products of single roll forming unit. The product produced by computer automatic CZ Purlin forming machine can be used as the main force structure of large and medium-sized industrial civil buildings, such as plants, warehouses, locomotive depots, hangars, exhibition house, theaters, sports venues, market floor, shed, roof-bearing load, and wall flat support. Okay, that's all for today's product. If you enjoyed this video, please follow my channel. If you are interested in the product, please leave a comment for me. I will introduce the product which you are interested in next video. Bye.